So we got some repairs to do. My personal comments on the carbon fiber. After editing the video of all the times the front hit. Oh! It's understandable of braking, but it was a little disappointing because I've hit things that hard with the standard chassis. I did move some of the parts over, but let's take a look at the damage. See, it snapped right there. When it hit right on the edge, which must be just the right place, but it pulled the screw out. It pulled, these screw mounts were pulled out completely, the ones that hold this in, and wait till you get a load of that. So, and it pulled the spur for the diff right out. I mean, it's still in there. I don't know if you can see it. See, it's still in there. The screw's still in there. So it's brand new. It's only been run maybe an hour total. So I don't know if it's the chassis or this stiffener or the fact that it got hit in the curb going 35 miles an hour. It's probably had a lot to do with it. But nothing else seems to be broken. None of the other arms are bent. Everything else looks okay. So it's going to be a $7 fix. You know, I mean, hopefully I'll be able to use the ends. It might be $15 for a new part. So what I'm going to do is get this all moved over, and I'll come back periodically. I'll see you. See if there's any more damage done to this. Take it apart quick. Just looking it over, seeing what else happened. And look at that. That is bent. Okay. So basically I'm trying to say, if you get this carbon fiber chassis, $24 cheapie, it's one without the bends. I'm going to try the other one next. It might take me a while to get it. Nobody seems to have them in stock. But this would probably be great for speed runs or something like that. I'm not a big, I mean, I'm still really, really new to the RC world. I'm only buying Chinese stuff at this point. So, you know, so we'll, I just, personally, I can't say that I'm going to buy this chassis again. That's for dang sure. Not unless I make a speedrun car or something. I just need to lighten it up, and I don't care about that. But all of the, if you watch my last video, you'll see how many times we dug it into the ground, just from little jumps, you know. So they weren't even big jumps. But to have that kind of damage, I mean, look at that. That's crazy. Anyways. I hope the diffs are okay. I haven't even checked those yet. So let's get this apart and see what else is wrong with it. Let's fast forward the boring parts and show whenever I open it. So I'm new to YouTube and RC cars. So I've been getting a lot of copyright strikes for canned music that's in the video editing software, which comes free on your operating system. So I don't see how that's even possible, but it means I'll probably have to change my music or figure something out. I don't know. Oh yeah, see the tail snapped right off too. That was from me just doing flips. My daughter and I decided this is not the car for big jumps. The WL is easier to control. Doesn't mean we won't learn how to or something, or we get it so it is. But this has got so much power; it's hard to even control. So here we get into the crank. At least for our little jumps. I mean, we get a track going and whatnot, get it dialed in, and be different. I really do like the carbon fiber look, though. Oh, and notice it is real carbon fiber. That's layers, so it's real. It's not, it's not one of them laminates that you're hearing about all over the place, all this fake carbon fiber. So the quality of carbon fiber is okay. It's just, I just beat on it too much, or I shouldn't run into curbs. Well, that wasn't me, but you know what I mean. Well, teeth seem okay. Might be able to save the end, which is good because I really didn't want to buy all new everything. Plus, maybe I can bend it, get it working temporarily. But holy bent. I mean, it bent here, 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 and big time there. And this was brand new. So, all right, this one's not too bad. I can live with it. We are going to use this housing for that one, though. I'm going to put the metal in the back of this, and probably use. If this is okay, I'll probably not even touch this. Just plop it right on. Let's find out. Oh, nothing else seems to be broken. Just there might be a weak spot, or I got a defect where there's a crack, or because of the way you're pushing underneath it with that little bumper that they give you, it could be putting extra pressure the wrong way. You never know. Reusing all this. Hopefully it was a clean pull. I can reuse this whole front and make this rebuild go pretty quick. Just want to see if there's any more damage before I end this video. Put you through me taking apart all this stuff. Especially when I just made a video doing this 2 days ago. Oh, would you look at that? It's fine. The screw's still in it. It didn't even get in the gearbox. It sheared the screw. So probably just pulled the last couple threads off it. That's good. That's good. And this appears to be okay. Teeth are all good. So it must have just pretty much broke the frame. That's actually not bad. Could have been a lot worse. But my hope was with the carbon fiber and the new aluminum center that it would keep that center from twisting. Exactly what I didn't want to happen. So don't know if I'd buy these. If you're going to do, like I said, speed runs or something like that, that's one thing. But if you're going to be hitting jumps and using this car the way it kind of was meant to be, you know, $100 car, then I would think twice maybe. Spend the extra $20, $25 if and get the one with the angles. Well, I can't say that for sure either. My assumption is that'll be better because it'll be formed, but I won't know until I get a hold of one. Anyways, well, you know what I'm doing for the next half hour. Thanks. Like, subscribe, all that good stuff. See you.